Good morning. So it's a lovely day again and I'm working along the river today. So we've got the tree surgeons in at last. They're working on a tree over there, so you might hear their chainsaws going in the background. But to try and catch up with a few things, I'm still working on taking the smaller ones down that I can do. So I'm going to be looking at this one just over the bridge here. So next to this ash tree here, there's a willow tree there, which the bark's all peeling off because that's dead. Which, if we come down in here, I did put a tag on it. Come around in here. So we've got 3 sections to it. So that's the one that you can see that's dead at the top. We've then got this section here, which is a large trunk that's dead that doesn't go higher than the laurels. And then we've got another small one that goes out that way. And again, it's been cut at the height of the laurels. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with these. Right, well that didn't entirely go to plan. So the small one went down fine. The bigger one, as I cut through, it leant back and pinched the chainsaw, so I couldn't pull the chainsaw out. So I put a bit of pressure on the tree and it slid off the stump, taking the chainsaw with it. But where it's tangled at the top here, it won't fall. So yeah, I'm going to try and take these small branches off from the side here and hope that will free it up enough that I can get it to fall that way so I can get the chainsaw out. Okay, that's the saw back out and no major damage. But yeah, that's the reason why I didn't realise it had another branch that went off to the back here. So yeah, I'll have to cut that out then. Right, let's carry on. Right, now considering I thought that was dead with no branches, got quite a lot of mess to clear now. So yeah, I'm going to clear all that rubbish and then I'll tackle that last one. Okay, well that's the worst of the rubbish cleared from along here. Now the tree surgeons decided they were going to take down that large one there from over there, so I had to stay back while they were doing that, and then there was a bit more rubbish to clear, so it's taken me a while to do this. So I'm hoping I've got enough time to finish this last one. So right, let's get on. well that's all down to a manageable height now, so now to clear it. Okay, well that's the bulk of the rubbish cleared, so I'm going to turn the camera off now and finish tidying up, and I will do a lovely after shot afterwards, so see you in a minute. Okay, well I'm all tidy for tonight. So this has all bounced back quite quickly. You can't see where the branches have been dragged through there. I cleared all the paths so it's nice and accessible, and I put a log edge along the side here. So these ones are the ones I've cut, and the ones at that end are what the tree surgeons cut. I've also built a stag beetle habitat, so we've already got one there, but it's good to add another one every now and again, so I've got another one there. So yeah, that's me all done for today, and I shall end this video here, and I shall see you later.